Hello, and welcome back to The Right Way with Josette Hall. In this segment, we will discuss Grammar Whiz Part 7, Identifying and Correcting Errors. Rewrite the sentence correctly. The sentence contains three errors. Instead of Tia and me, it would be Tia and I. And the way that you determine that is by taking off the first part, Tia and try reading it with me is attending this year's festivities. Or you can say I am attending this year's festivities in Paris. So me would be I and is would be am. Also, years, it should have an apostrophe because you're showing ownership. Tia and I are attending this year's festivities in Paris. How about this sentence? Read it. Identify the errors and state how it can be corrected. There are numerous errors in this sentence. First of all, people is already plural, therefore an us is not needed. For there, the there that should be used is THEIR, the pronoun. An apostrophe is not needed in colors because possession is not shown. The semicolon is not needed behind all. As a matter of fact, no punctuation is needed. And is used to connect the two clauses. Why isn't a comma being used here? A comma isn't being used here because you have one independent clause and one dependent clause. Don't is not needed because by using don't and nothing at the same time, this leads to a double negative. Double negatives are errors in writing. People show their true colors when they have it all and when they have nothing. Let's take a look at this last sentence. Read it, identify the errors, and then state how it can be written correctly. In this sentence, profits is misspelled, or this is the wrong version of profits. The profits should be spelled PRHOPHETS. And there is incorrect. It should be the pronoun there, THEIR. False prophets are revealed by their hypocritical ways. Thanks for joining me in refreshing your knowledge of writing and grammar. Remember, if you don't use it, you will lose it. Thanks, and please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for The Right Way with Josette Hall.